The icy immensity of Antarctica continues to fascinate humanity, not only for its vastness and isolation, but also for the countless enigmas it hides beneath its ancient layers of ice. This continent, devoid of a resident population and inhabited only by teams of researchers that range from a few thousand during the summer to 100 or so more in the winter, holds secrets that defy both logic and scientists' understanding. Amid white plains and hidden mountains, Antarctica presents itself as a natural laboratory where the traces of the universe and the marks of past eras are preserved almost intact, offering clues about cosmic phenomena and evolutions of life that still instigate the curiosity of the most daring explorers today. As researchers dedicate their days to monitoring the smallest details of the Antarctic environment, surprising discoveries emerge with each expedition, revealing a world full of contradictions and mysteries. Among these discoveries, one of the most intriguing is the accumulation of meteorites that, like pieces of a cosmic puzzle, constantly fall from space and settle on icy surfaces. This natural greenhouse keeps meteorites in an exceptional state of conservation, allowing experts to analyze fragments of the solar system in impressive detail. On recent occasions, international teams have identified specimens with unique characteristics, demonstrating that even tiny objects can carry valuable information about the origin of celestial bodies. Each fragment, regardless of its size, contributes to the understanding of the processes that shaped our universe, providing a vision that goes beyond the limits of Earth and connects the planet's history with the immeasurable cosmos. The Antarctic landscape has also been the scene of discoveries that defy common sense. In an episode that seems straight out of science fiction, traces of fossilized eggs were found in layers of ice, revealing secrets of creatures that inhabited this planet tens of millions of years ago. One of these finds, of impressive proportions, was even compared to an enigma that united the worlds of dinosaurs and prehistoric mysteries. Detailed analyses indicated that the fossil belonged to an egg from an ancestral species, whose size and shape resembled a work of art of natural evolution. Re-evaluation of the data revealed that, although the egg itself was surprising, the true impact of the discovery lay in the possibility of reconstituting an evolutionary chain that had previously been lost to time. Traces of adult creatures and offspring were found in the same layer, suggesting a rich and diverse environment that for millions of years remained hidden beneath a nearly impenetrable ice sheet. This window into the past not only expands knowledge about prehistoric biodiversity, but also instigates debates about how life could have adapted to extreme conditions. Not infrequently, investigations in Antarctica lead to reports that mix science and legend. In an expedition led by Canadian researchers, microscopic marks carved into the surface of exposed rocks sparked unusual speculation. These marks, with tiny dimensions and shapes that resembled parts of human skeletons, emerged in a geological context that dates back to times when life itself was just emerging from the primordial oceans. Scientists and enthusiasts have pored over these formations, debating whether they could represent traces of unknown life forms or simply be the result of misinterpreted natural processes. The controversy intensified when sensational theories suggested links to ancient civilizations or even extraterrestrial origins. However, most experts consider that, although intriguing, such marks can be explained by geological and chemical mechanisms that operated in a unique way during the period when Antarctica was part of a supercontinent with a mild, subtropical climate. Even so, the mystery persists, fueling the imagination of everyone who comes across the continent's icy vastness and full of secrets. The digital age has also helped to reveal hidden aspects of Antarctica. Using virtual mapping tools such as Google Earth, Internet users have already discovered geometric formations and structures that at first glance appeared to be built with almost architectural precision. In one of these investigations, the image of a cave with steps and perfectly outlined contours caught the attention of curious observers, sparking speculation about secret laboratories, ancient refugees, or even traces of lost civilizations. The cave, whose entrance periodically disappeared under the influence of extreme weather conditions, became a symbol of how technology can help unravel mysteries that, until then, seemed confined to the realm of the imagination. Reports have emerged describing everything from underground passages to logic-defying enigmas, reinforcing the idea that Antarctica is a place where the natural and the inexplicable intertwine in a unique way. On another occasion, the use of satellite images led to the discovery of a structure that, from a distance, resembled a gigantic ship sleeping beneath the ice sheet. This formation, which many interpreted as the wreckage of an abandoned cruise ship, quickly became an object of speculation, giving rise to theories that ranged from the hypothesis of an ancient lost expedition to the possibility that it was, in fact, a ship of alien origin. The dimensions and silhouette of the object, combined with the hostile environment that surrounded it, created a setting worthy of a cinematic plot. Although rational explanations suggest that the phenomenon may be the result of extreme climatic conditions and unusual natural formations, the mystery continues to be discussed by experts and enigma aficionados, who see Antarctica as an ideal stage for inexplicable phenomena. In addition to its landscapes and archaeological mysteries, Antarctica has served as an environment for training and preparation for challenges that go far beyond Earth. Space institutions such as NASA see this continent as the perfect place to simulate the harsh conditions of space. Amidst piercing winds and temperatures that border on the unimaginable, several bases were established with the aim of studying not only the effects of extreme cold on equipment and humans, but also testing technologies that could one day be used in interplanetary missions. Researchers train in isolation, facing psychological and physical challenges that mirror the routine of astronauts on long-duration flights. The experience gained in this environment contributes to the evolution of protocols and the improvement of survival systems that could be fundamental in future journeys beyond Earth orbit. The interaction between scientists of different nationalities on these bases reflects a global commitment to exploring the unknown, demonstrating that even in the most inhospitable corners of the planet, human cooperation can flourish and transform challenges into opportunities for discovery. These research sites are also the stage for studies on the impacts of isolation and living under extreme conditions, providing precious data for areas as diverse as medicine, psychology, and engineering. In situations where every second counts, and where environmental conditions test the limits of human resistance, the results of investigations in Antarctica expand the understanding of how human beings can adapt to adverse environments, paving the way for new ways of thinking about life outside Earth. The interaction between the different teams, often made up of specialists in areas ranging from astrobiology to geophysics, enriches the scientific panorama and reaffirms that knowledge is a collective achievement built from joint work and the sharing of experiences that often seem to challenge reality itself. The continent, with its enigmatic nature and its overlapping landscapes of ice and rock, is a permanent invitation to reflect on the origin and destiny of life. Each new expedition reveals an additional chapter in this ancient history, where traces of the past meet the uncertainties of the future. Antarctica, in its apparent stillness, holds secrets that awaken the imagination and provoke heated debates, both among those who seek scientific explanations and among those who allow themselves to be carried away by the magnetism of the unknown. Conspiracy theories and fantastic interpretations coexist with empirical data, creating an environment of constant questioning where the line between the real and the extraordinary becomes blurred. In this scenario, the role of technology and multidisciplinary research becomes even more crucial, as each discovery is a piece of the puzzle that makes up the understanding of our existence. The convergence of satellite images, laboratory analyses, and field reports offers a holistic view of this extreme environment, enabling unexpected connections between cosmic phenomena and terrestrial natural processes to be revealed. Amid this whirlwind of data and interpretations, Antarctica stands out as one of the last great mysteries on the planet, challenging the limits of science and inciting the curiosity of all those who venture to understand the secrets of the universe. Each new piece of evidence collected, be it an interstellar fragment preserved in layers of ice, a fossil dating back to forgotten eras, or an enigmatic formation captured by satellite, reaffirms that even in the most uninhabited corners of the Earth, there is always something to be discovered and inspiration for new journeys into the unknown. In short, Antarctica remains a refuge of mysteries and challenges that, through its austere landscapes and extreme conditions, invites humanity to rethink the limits of knowledge and seek answers to questions that seem to transcend time. With each research station, with each new discovery, the frozen continent reaffirms its role as guardian of ancient secrets and as a privileged setting for scientific experimentation, showing that at the intersection between the natural and the inexplicable lies the true essence of human exploration. The vastness of this territory and its ability to preserve traces of the past, combined with the potential to reveal the secrets of the future, make Antarctica one of the most inspiring and enigmatic places on the planet, where every step on the snow can mean the discovery of a truth that until then was hidden under the cloak of time and ice.